Hey man, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, welcome back to another video. And I just want to go ahead and start this one up nice, soft, and simple. It's not going to be too long. We have the NBA X Vlone try-on haul for you guys. I'm going to go over every single one of these pieces I have right here. First of all, I want to give a huge shout out to J Dimes and Weezy for making this video possible. So a huge shout out to you guys, but let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright guys, so we're not going to waste any more time. You guys saw that little sneak peek. Y'all saw the intro. We're going to go ahead and get started from the first piece. Let me go ahead and scoot over just so you guys can get a good look at each piece. And for each one of these, I'm going to pull them out. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, all the little details. And then of course, we're going to have a cool, nice little B-roll right after. So we're going to start off with probably my favorite piece because of the color. We have this NBA X Vlone. I don't remember the name of this, but as you guys can tell by the color, it has like this nice lavender type color. It has NBA YoungBoy's face right there in the middle, and it says top, basically promoting his new album. Main thing that I really like about this piece is very subtle, as you guys can see from the back. It's a very simple, standard V. I see this as just like a cool daily, different color. Some people had like mixed opinions with this just because of the fact that it is his face, the screaming right there. But I mean, the top font is cool, and if you see, they're trying to use his face as like as if it's an O, and the color is what gets me. And if you guys watched the last video with the Juice WRLD merch, some of the shirts did not feel that good of quality. Of course, the hoodie was amazing, but for these shirts, they are better quality. They feel a whole lot more softer. It's thicker around the collar. You guys know how I usually like thicker collars and whatnot. It's just a standard V, but it's kind of cool. You know, they got the standard V. It says NBA YoungBoy right in there. And just overall, they did a better job making the shirt. So this is the first piece. I like it a lot. Alright, and for the second piece, we have another top one, but this was the Reaper one. Like, this was that top one. Like whenever it comes to like pieces, like at all three of these pieces in this little collection I have for you guys, these are the best pieces from that collection by far. Like shirt wise, okay? I might not say the hoodies. I don't know if any of the hoodies really caught my attention, but these pieces are most definitely tough. So we have the top with the Reaper. This is tough, you know what I'm saying? You got NBA YoungBoy, you got the chains and stuff, you got his eyes glowing, he has the V on top of his hoodie. They need to make a hoodie with the V on top. I feel like that would be tough. I'm gonna take that little inspo and I'm gonna do it in the future. Okay, and then they have top going across, and then the V again. None of the V's are really that crazy. This one is just like the first one, so it has a red outline. I guess it's a little bit better, but it's still pretty standard. But for this one, it's really the front that gets me again. Nice thick collar going around, and you know, just better quality shirt in my opinion. You know what I mean? Very soft material, something that's very comfy, and this overall, I feel like this is a tough piece, and I'm glad that I got to pick this one up. Alright, and for the very last piece in this little drop, I told you guys I was going to keep about too long, just kind of run through each and every single one of these pieces. We have the yellow NBA X Vlone piece. Before we go ahead and show that V, I forgot the name of these, like I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but this was like the yellow one that had a whole bunch going on. Got the Never Broke Again, and it's basically just like, I don't know, it's like a cartoon action thing. It's like it has three parts, and then he's holding his kid, he's holding a tool, more tools, and some blood splatter with like a red paint crack thing, and at the back it's just like a bullet hole in red. This V is a little bit more creative. I do mess with it more. You guys know how I like yellow. Yellow and lavender are low-key colors that I just low-key like. I don't know what it is about it. I know yellow looks good on my skin. It's good. It complements it. And I guess the lavender does it as well. And it's overall, again, nice, soft material right over here. I'm definitely messing with it. I do like thicker colors because it looks a whole lot better whenever I go ahead and layer with Cubans. But anyways, let's go ahead and roll that B-roll. Alright guys, so that wraps it up, but first we're going to have to go ahead and just rank these pieces, okay? It's going to be kind of tough. I know it's just going to go 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're going to start off at the bottom and work our way up. At the bottom, is a tough one. This is tough, okay. This is a tough one, okay. I'm going to have to put the Lavender piece at number 3 just because of the fact it's nothing too crazy, nothing too loud, as we can go ahead and see. It's this top plain generic V. So, you know, I'm not going too crazy with it. 2, we're gonna have to go with the Top Reaper. I like this piece a lot. You know, I love this portion at the bottom. It's different. But if we look at this V, it just doesn't do it, you know what I mean? I don't feel like it gets the number 1 spot for this drop. So you guys have to go ahead and see that this has to go ahead and get that number 1. It's only V with something different. And on top of that, it got a lot more stuff going on in the front. I mess with it. I really like the color yellow. So this is my number 1 piece. I have a question before you guys tap off. I need you guys to rank these 3 pieces, okay? We're just gonna call them Lavender, Black, Yellow. Rank them 1, 2, 3. I wanna know if you guys agree with me or you're just like, Chris, you tripping. This piece is the best or that piece is the best. You guys go ahead and let me know. On top of that, guys, I want to thank you guys for the support. I've been getting on the channel. You guys have been rocking with, you know, the previous videos. I've been trying to put a whole lot more time editing these videos and just kind of, you know, I just want to up the quality, up the standards for the channel, especially going into 2021. I only want to elevate. So just expect a whole lot more crazy and better edited content coming for the channel. I'm continuing to figure out new ways to go ahead and expand and elevate, and I just appreciate you guys for just joining me along this journey. I have a lot more content, like I said. But anyways, guys, make sure you guys smash up that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I post fashion and business related content all the freaking time, and I think you'll like it. Anyways, it's your boy Chris Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.